It's very dark, but good morning. Good early morning. What time is it?
Good morning. Like 5:30.
5:30. Look how beautiful. We're back here at the Tennessee River, right? This is the Tennessee River? Okay, so we're back here and we're gonna try to go fishing again. We came super early this time so we could try to catch way more fish. Oh, there was just one that stuck its head out.
Up all over. Right here.
So, oh my God. Okay, we're gonna get
to
started.
it. Yeah.
I'm excited. Oh, oh. Let's go, Dink Squad. Oh, hold on, guy. Hold on, guy. Okay, rest. Maybe like 10, 15 casts in. Caught one on the whopper plopper. Small guy, but still nice. Dink Squad. Let's go, baby.
Let's go.
Get one. I switched spots, so I'm like I was right behind that tree, or right next to that tree, the opposite side. That's where Ian is still. So I came over here. I see a lot of plops over here, so I'm gonna try it out, see what I can get.
What the hell, man?
Hi, y'all.
So we were originally gonna go. Well, we did go fishing today, but that didn't work out.
Yeah. Which I'll insert, maybe like I'll make like a little montage of fishing, just something simple. But we're here at the creek now. We're crawfishing. We've got 2 in the bag so far. We're gonna head down there, down yonder, and see if we can find any more. There are some around here. They're just hard to spot because they really blend in with the dirt and rocks. So let's see what we can find. You ready, Boo?
Sure.
Yeah. Oh. Under the rock. Lift the rock. Dang, now it's all cloudy. Woohoo! Oh, be careful. Oh. Hello, friend. Oh, that's definitely gonna be the thingy. Cool. That's number 4.
4 or 5?
I think we have
4.
4. That's number 4. There are 3 in here. Number 5. Another one.
5.
You got a bed claw.
Oh, I touched my... Boom. So we've been letting those guys clean off for a while.
Purge.
And how do you think they're looking?
They're looking good. Oh, they're about to float.
They might be done soon. We'll see how they taste once they're done. Tell you.
Yeah.
Let them in on the loop.
On the loop?
In the loop. On the loop.
In the loop. At the loop.
Off the wagon, on the wagon. What does it matter?
We'll let you know how they taste. All right. So this is appetizer before the main course. Ian whipped these up, and this is just some leftover garlic butter that I made. All right, dig in. Go ahead. Show them how it's done. Ooh, nice.
Oh, same thing.
You're not gonna eat that? I'll eat that.
Just trying to get this.
Pull its tail off first. That's how I got mine out. Now he needs help.
There we go.
There you go. Oh no! Dippy doo-dah.
I think that's better than last time.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Last time we did Old Bay. We put Old Bay in the pot of water, and Ian squeezed some limes in there, some lime wedges, and it was good. But, ooh, yes, eat all the bits. All right, we're going to eat this, and we'll catch you on the next video.
Thanks for joining us. Hopefully we catch something on the next one.
Yeah. Bye.